Welcome back. So far, we have learned how to write the basic SQL queries and use group by to summarize data. Now, it's time to learn one of the most important topics in SQL and one of the most frequently asked concepts in SQL interviews, joins. Joins allows us to combine data from multiple tables and retrieve related information in a single query. Let's see how they work. Before we learn joins, we need a second table. In real-world databases, information is usually divided into multiple tables rather than stored in a single large table. For example, employee information might be stored in one table while department information is stored in another. Here we are creating a departments table. The department column stores the department name. The manager name column stores the name of the department manager, and the location column stores the office location for that department. After creating the table, we insert some sample department records. Notice that the departments such as IT, HR, finance and marketing also exist in our employees table. The department column is common between both tables, and this is what we will use to connect them. Also notice that we have a legal department in this table, but no employee belongs to it. Keep that in mind because it will help us understand the difference between inner join and left join. Now let's combine the employees department table using inner join. The department column is the matching column between the two tables. The on clause tells SQL how the table should be connected. In this case, SQL matches rows where the department in the employees table is equal to the department in the departments table. An inner join returns only the records that have matching values in both tables. If an employee belongs to a department that does not exist in the department table, that employee will not appear in the result. Similarly, if a department exists but has no employees, it will not appear either. As a result, we get each employee along with additional information about their department, such as the manager name and office location. This is one of the most common joins used in real-world applications. Now, let's look at another important join called a left join. In this query, the department table is on the left side of the join. A left join returns all records from the left table, regardless of whether a matching record exists in the right table. This means every department will appear in output. When SQL finds matching employees for a department, it displays their names. If no matching employees exist, SQL still returns the department information, but the employee column will contain null. Take a look at the legal department. Even though no employee belongs to the legal, it still appears in the result because left join keeps all records from the left table. This is the major difference between inner join and left join. Inner join shows only matching records. Left join shows all records from the left table along with any matching records from the right table. Great job. In this lesson, you learned how to combine data from multiple tables using SQL joins. We created a department table, connected it with employees table, and explored two essential join types. Inner join returns only matching records from both tables. Left join returns all records from the left table and any matching records from the right table. These two joins form the foundation for working with relational databases and are frequently tested in SQL interviews. In the next lesson, we will continue with more advanced SQL interview questions and join concepts in the next video.